You ever look at a statue of a Greek god and think, how'd they get that body? Not just muscular, but symmetrical, balanced, timeless, wide shouldered, chiseled chest, small waist, perfect abs. A body that doesn't just look strong. It looks powerful, beautiful, and unforgettable. That's not just art. That's the standard of masculine perfection. The look ancient warriors were carved in, and modern men still chase today. But here's the truth. You don't need elite genetics. You don't need steroids. You don't even need a gym to start. All you need is a strategy, a system, and a fire in your chest that says, I'm done being average. Because the Greek God Physique isn't just about look. It's about control. It's about respect and becoming the most disciplined version of yourself. This is your full guide to building that kind of body, the kind that turns heads, earns respect, and speaks before you do. Let's begin your transformation. Right now, what does a Greek god body even look like? Think about balance. Not too big, not too small. Wide-shouldered, defined chest, strong arms, visible abs, powerful legs, and most importantly, a V-shaped torso with low body fat. This body type isn't just about looks. It shows strength, discipline, confidence. It's the body of someone in control of their life. But here's the truth. Most people won't ever get it. Why? Because they rely on genetics, or wait for motivation, or waste years doing random exercises without a plan. You're not going to be like that. Because I'm giving you the full blueprint, and if you follow it, you'll be shocked at how much your body changes in just a few months. Let's break down the core pillars of the Greek God Physique. First is the V-taper. When your upper body is wider than your waist, it makes you look athletic even in a plain t-shirt. To build this look, focus on 3 key muscles: your shoulders, your upper back, and your lats. The best no-equipment move for shoulders is the pike push-up. Start in a push-up position. Raise your hips, lower your head toward the ground, and press up with your shoulders. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. If you have dumbbells or bottles, do lateral raises. Lift your arms to the side until they reach shoulder level. This builds capped shoulders that widen your frame. For your back, do pull-ups. If you can't do one yet, start with assisted pull-ups or hang from a bar. Pull-ups target your lats and make your upper body look more impressive. Next is the chest and arms. They complete the Greek god shape and make you look strong in any outfit. For chest, start with push-ups, use a slight incline, or do diamond push-ups to hit the inner chest and triceps. For arms, do bicep curls with dumbbells or bottles. Keep your form strict. Don't swing. For triceps, use dips or overhead tricep extension. Now here's the part most skip. Your forearms and neck. Small muscles, but they make a huge difference. A strong neck and forearms make you look powerful even in sleeves. For forearms, do wrist curls. Hold a weight. Rest your elbow on your knee and curl using just your wrist. You can also use a rice bucket. Twist or squeeze and rice for 30 seconds. For neck, start with no-weight neck curl. Lay on a bench with your head hanging. Slowly nod up and down. 3 sets of 10 reps. Don't use weight at first. Your neck will get sore if you go too hard. Once your upper body is built, you need strong legs to complete the balance. Don't skip them. Even Greek statues had powerful legs. For quads, do bodyweight squats or jump squats. For hamstrings, do Nordic curls or single-leg deadlifts. For calves, do standing calf raises. And sprint once or twice a week. Running on your toes helps shape calves and boost athleticism. Now, let's talk about how to put this into a weekly plan. Because just knowing exercises is enough. You need structure. The best routine for a Greek god body is the push-pull leg split. Push day is chest, shoulders, and triceps. Pull day is back, biceps, and traps. Leg day is quads, hamstrings, calves, and core. Here's an example plan. Monday, push. Tuesday, pull. Wednesday, legs. Thursday, push. Friday, pull. Saturday, legs. Sunday, rest. You train every muscle group twice a week. This leads to faster growth and better definition. And always remember one golden rule: progressive overload. Every week, try to improve something. More reps, more weight, or shorter rest time. That's how muscles grow. Now, let's talk diet. Because if your food isn't right, your physique stays hidden under fat or never grows. Step 1. Find your maintenance calorie. Search for a TD calculator online. Put in your age, weight, and height. If you want to build muscle, Eat 300 to 500 calories more than maintenance. If you want to lose fat, eat 300 to 500 less. Next, prioritize protein. Your muscles need it to grow. Eat 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kg of body weight. If you weigh 60 kilograms, aim for 100 to 130 grams per day. Best protein sources: eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, Greek yogurt, and if needed, whey protein shake. Don't forget carbs. They give energy for training. Eat oats, bananas, rice, sweet potatoes, whole wheat bread. Add healthy fats, nuts, olive oil, avocados, seeds. These support hormones and recovery. Don't skip vegetables. Greens help digestion and gut health, which affects how your body absorbs nutrients. Struggling to eat enough? Here's a calorie-packed smoothie. 2 bananas, 2 eggs, half cup oats, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 date, or a small piece dark chocolate. Blend and drink daily. Adds 800 to 1,000 calories. But don't rely only on supplements. Food is the base. Supplements are just tools, not magic. Now let's talk genetics. A lot of people give up before starting, thinking, I wasn't born to be muscular. I'm too skinny or too fat. That mindset is poison. Genetics decide your starting point. Discipline decides your destination. You don't need perfect genes. You need consistency. Some actors you admire, they didn't look like that before movie roles. They trained hard, ate smart, committed fully, train smart, eat right, stay consistent. Your body will change. Doesn't matter if you're skinny or gain fat easily. You can still look powerful and aesthetic. Let's touch on mindset. This isn't a 2-week transformation. It's a lifestyle. There will be days you won't feel like working out. Days you feel like your body isn't changing. But that's when the real transformation happens. When you show up anyway. That's the mindset of a Greek god. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Start with small wins. Hit your workout. Eat your meals. Sleep well. And let time do its magic. In 3 months, you'll be unrecognizable. In 6 months, you'll be admired. In 1 year, you'll be unstoppable. So, build your shoulder. Train your back. Grow your arms. Shape your legs. Fix your diet. And build your confidence. You don't need to chase perfection. Just build it. Brick by brick. Rep by rep. Meal by meal. Day by day. This is how you build the Greek God Physique. No matter your genetics. Now, go look in the mirror. You're not the same guy anymore. You're becoming something better. And the world will notice. If you found this helpful, drop your thoughts in the comments and share your progress with the Glow Mode family. This is your transformation. See you in the next one. Stay strong.